Hello friend, this is Noor Siddiqui. As you know, my name is Noor Siddiqui. Today I am going to show you the feature of Windows 10 setting. So for accessing Windows 10 setting, click Start menu, click Setting. Here you can see the Windows setting feature. There's a multiple option are available here: system, device, network and internet, personalization, account, time and language, ease of access, privacy, update. Today in this video tutorial I will tell you the options which are available in system properties. So just click here. You can see 12 options are available in settings. These are options. I will tell you one by one the options of all these features. So let's first click on display. This is a display where from you can change the display setting, and you can change the resolution of this desktop setting. You can increase decrease resolution of desktop. So if you increase the resolution, the icon on the desktop will reduce in size. If you decrease the resolution, the icon on the desktop will increase in a size. So next is apps and features. This is an option available on clicking apps and features. Here you can see all the application installed on this Windows 10 operating system. These are application. So you can configure it by sort by name, sort by size, and sort by install date. Show content from next is a show content from all drive. You can, if you click on C drive, the contents of C drive will show here. So in this you can click on the D drive. There's no content, there's no installed application on the D drive, so there's no content here. So what can you do on this application? You can modify this application, you can uninstall these application, you can move the location of this application from one drive to another drive. So just click on, suppose I'm clicking mail and calendar. You cannot do anything here. You can uninstall. If you want to uninstall this application from here, you don't need to go anywhere. So in this way, if you want to move, suppose you want to move the location of this application, just click here, select the drive. If you want to move this to D drive, just move, and all the data of this application will be saved on the D drive. If you click on the advanced option of the application, you can see the size of application, how many space this application are taking up. If you want to reset this application, you want to bring back on the default setting, click on the default setting. So next, so these are the these setting configuration you can do with these application software. So next is the default application, default apps. You can make some application with default. What default setting or what would be default setting of these application? If you want to set default browser, you have if you have installed multiple browsers like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, you can set default browser for email. You can, in this way you can set the default music player, default photo player, default video player. Okay, next is a notification and action. Under the notification action feature, you can configure the notification of operating system. So these are options are available under the notification and action options. Get notification from apps and other senders. So if you turn this on, you will show the notification from apps and application. Show notification on the lock. If you lock your computer and this feature is on, your notification keep flashing on the screen. However, your you lock the screen. If you turn this off, that notification will not flash on locked screen. Show alarms, reminder, incoming web call on the lock screen. If you turn on this, your alarms, reminder keep flashing on the locked screen when you locked your computer. Hide notification when I'm duplicating my screen. If you turn this on, your notification will not appear when you're duplicating your screen. Get tips, tricks, suggestion as you use Windows. If you turn this feature on, tips, tricks, suggestion keep coming on your screen. This is a good feature, especially this is useful when your system is connected to internet. These are applications which keep notifying you. These application, if you don't want any application show notification, just turn off. If you don't want Acrobat Reader to show any notification, just turn it off. After turning off, Adobe Reader will not show any notification. So you can configure which application show notification, which application will show notification on the screen. Next option is power and sleep. You can configure computer when computer will go in a power in a sleep mode. So you can configure after 10 minutes. If your computer is idle, will go to and turn off. Sleep when plug in PC goes to sleep. After 20 minutes, your computer will go to sleep. Let's see the next options is storage. These are logical drive on my desktop computer, CDE. This is a pen drive. So here you can see if you click on the C drive, you can see the storage. Where is the storage used? Which application is using storage? Here you can see 29.7 GB is reserved for system. Apps and game is using 7.32 GB. Documents using 14.1 GB. In this you can see all the application using the storage space on this drive. So you can if you click on D drive, same application is coming. It means you can check the space used by application. If you want to move some application from C drive to D drive, if you want to move the storage location of application, you can move from here. Just click here, this PC. If you want your document will show all the data on D drive instead of C drive, just click here, set location D drive. All the files and documents which will be saved on documents automatically will be saved to D drive, because now documents location is a D. So if you click on apply, it will configure. So in this way you can change the location of application. All these applications by default save data to C drive. You can change the location to save the space of C drive. Next option is offline maps. If you click offline maps, download maps to search for places, get direction even when you are not connected to internet. By default, this is a feature when your system is connected to internet. It shows direction and places of your location. So if you want this application keep showing direction, places even if you are not connected to internet, just configure offline map. It download first. What will it do? But download all the direction and map from internet. and then it keep showing you places and direction even if you're not connected to internet. This is a cool feature, especially for laptop, which can be converted into tablet. You can configure setting when to convert your laptop to tablet and tablet to laptop. So what uh, setting will be required? When I sign in, use appropriate mode for hardware, use tablet mode. When this is a configure, when you sign, use tablet mode. If you want to configure this laptop or desktop as a desktop, when you sign in to configure, use desktop mode. When this device automatically switch tablet mode on and off, don't ask me, and always switch on. If you configure this option, it will not ask you, automatically switch to tablet and desktop according to. I just always ask me before switching. If you configure this, it will ask you, operating system ask you before switching to tablet and to desktop and laptop. Don't ask me. If you configure this, it will not ask you. Hide application icon on a taskbar in tablet. When your computer will go to tablet mode, it will hides all application icons on the taskbar. This is a taskbar where application, you can see the icons of application. When this computer desktop will go to in a tablet mode, these application will automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. If you turn this on, taskbar automatically will be hidden when computer will go to in tablet mode. And next is a multitasking. Multitasking means you can do many tasks simultaneously. So this is a setting for snap. In the multitasking, what feature is given in Windows 10, where you can see you can open multiple windows, snap simultaneously, and work on that window simultaneously. So this is a window. Now I have opened two windows. You can adjust this window and work simultaneously here and here, and you can also open internet and configure internet. So in this way you can overlap the window, you can adjust here. You can also use your Windows plus arrow key to adjust here left, right, up and down. So this is a very good feature on Windows 10. You can work simultaneously on multiple window. So in this way you can configure. This setting will be can be configured from multitasking option. Arrange window automatically by dragging them to side or corner of the screen. If you turn on this feature, automatically when you drag window will be automatically arranged. When I snap window, automatically size it to fill available. If you turn this on, when you snap any window, it will fill all the available space. If you turn on this feature, what will happen? When I snap a window, show what I can snap next to it. If you turn this feature on, automatically it will suggest you what can you do next. When I resize a snap window, simultaneously resize any adjacent snap window. If you turn this on feature, it will automatically resize adjacent window. So this is a feature of multitasking, snapping. Next is a virtual desktop. On the taskbar, show window that are open. So all the desktop, if you take a remote desktop or other system, you can configure setting for the only the desktop I am using. On the taskbar, show window that are open. Press all plus tab, show window that are open. In this, if you configure this, you have to press all plus tab, show windows that are open. and project this PC, projecting to this PC. This is a feature when you want your phone projector to show on this desktop computer. It means your phone screen will be shown on desktop computer. You can use that windows and operate, but this is here you can see this doesn't support receiving Mira cards, so you cannot project to it wirelessly because this. So right now there's a no connected phone, no projector connected through wireless, so this feature is not highlighted here. So next is the apps for website. There are some website that is accessed through application, and some application apps are used to access website. These option for those apps. If you click on about, it will give you detail of your operating system and hardware configuration of your desktop computer. Here you can see the PC name is Super. If you want to rename the computer, you can rename it. Organization is AITM Lucknow. This is the name of domain. Addition of Windows 10 Pro. Version is this. OS build. Product ID. Processor Core i3 4130 CPU. Speed is 3.4 GHz. Uninstall RAM is 16 GB. Operating system is a 64-bit operating system. Processor is also 64 based processor. So you can also configure additional setting. You can configure bit setting, bit locker setting. You can configure device manager. You can also generate system information from here. So lots of things you can do from here. So that's it for this session. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Thank you very much.